Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about a brand new token, a TGE, for the Zama protocol token. Ticker symbol is Zama, Z-A-M-A, and we're going to go over the info on this token, talk about all the info that we have so far on the TGE and how to get the token. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's a lot of info on this token. If you go to their webpage, zama.org, they have token information. It says coming soon. You'll be able to buy and stake Zama, so it's not out yet. We're going to talk about that in a second. They have a light paper, a technical white paper, ecosystem information. There's a huge section for developers, so there's the docs for that, GitHub, developer consoles coming soon, DevHub, and then they have the developer program that you could join for premium support and training, funding and resources, marketing and recognition, and exclusive opportunities. Now they have a community section that has blog articles, creator program, an X, Telegram, and events section, and then there's the enterprise section as well, and you can explore the whole ecosystem. I am going to put their Twitter, their X, in the corner of the screen here as usual. They used to have a different Twitter, I believe it's like at Zama FHE or something like that. But if you go to that one, it says we have moved over to at Zama. So this is the big one here. And you can see it's big, 263,900 X followers, gold verified check mark, and almost 1,900 tweets. It says they're even hiring there if somebody wants to apply for a job. Now, the Zama Confidential Blockchain Protocol, or simply the Zama Protocol, enables issuing, managing, and trading assets confidentially on existing public blockchains. It's the most advanced confidentiality protocol to date, offering end-to-end encryption of transaction inputs and state. No one can see the data, not even node operators. Composability between confidential contracts as well as with non-confidential ones. Developers can build on top of other contracts, tokens, and dApps. Also, programmable confidentiality. Smart contracts define who can decrypt what, meaning developers have full control over their confidentiality rules in their applications. Now, the Zama protocol is not a new L1 or L2, but rather a cross-chain confidentiality layer sitting on top of existing chains. As such, users don't need to bridge to a new chain and can interact with confidential dApps from whenever they choose. Now, it leverages Zama's state-of-the-art, fully homomorphic encryption, so the FHE technology, which enables computing directly on encrypted data. FHE has long been considered the holy grail of cryptography, as it allows end-to-end encryption for any application on-chain and off-chain. We believe that just like the internet went from zero encryption with HTTP to encrypting data in transit with HTTPS, the next natural step will be to use FHE to enable end-to-end encryption by default in every application, something we call HTTPZ. So until recently, however, FHE was too slow, too limited in terms of applications it could support, and too difficult to use for developers. This is what our team at Zama has spent the last 5 years solving. We now have a highly efficient FHE technology that can support any type of application using common programming languages such as Solidity and Python, while being over 100 times faster than 5 years ago. Importantly, Zama's FHE technology is already post-quantum, meaning there is no known quantum algorithms that can break it. While FHE is the core technology used in the Zama protocol, we also leverage multi-party computation, so MPC, and zero-knowledge proofs to address the shortcomings of other confidentiality solutions. So FHE enables confidentiality while being fully publicly verifiable. Using GPUs will soon allow scaling to 100 plus transactions, while dedicated hardware accelerators will enable scaling to thousands of transactions per second. MPC enables decentralizing the global network key, ensuring no single party can access it. Using MPC only to generate keys and decrypt data for users minimizes latency in communication, thereby making it far more scalable and decentralized than using it for private computation. ZK ensures the encrypted inputs provided by users were actually encrypted correctly. Using ZK only for this specific purpose, it makes the ZK proofs lightweight and cheap to generate in a browser or mobile app. So they have a roadmap. Starts with public testnet, which is already live. Then the Ethereum mainnet. Then we have the other EVM chain. So the Ethereum mainnet TGE is what's happening soon, Q4 2025. And then Solana support after that. Now, it says here, the Zama token TGE details confirmation officially announced in June 2025 alongside the Series B and testnet launch. The Zama token is the native token for the confidential blockchain protocol. The timeline, Q4 2025, likely late November or December, coinciding with mainnet launch on Ethereum. No exact date yet. Treat all specifics as TBA until official confirmation. And that will be on their Twitter, their socials. So the launch chain will be on Ethereum with multi-chain expansion planned. No pre-sale, emphasizes fair launch via one-time public sale to avoid VC dumps. So you will be able to stake this token, and it will be used for governance. There's going to be a burn and mint deflationary system. And that is basically all that's disclosed so far. So you'll have to wait until they announce the specific TGE date, but likely it's going to be end of November or December, it says here. And but right now you can actually use the testnet and do testnet farming. And so you could check that out on the webpage. There's also the creator program, the developer program, and then you'll have to wait for the public sale. So go check out Zama on X. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.